Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer TONCOIN from Bitget to Tonkeeper. So what we can do in this case is just click on this sell option, and in here, we have in here the BTC and USD. Just click on it right here, and let's change it into TON. Just click onto the search and search in here for TON. And you can see this right here that's choosing your TON, and then enter. And here, the quantity of TON that you want, for example, let's put in here 18, and we'll have in here a total of 98 USDT. Just click onto this sell on option right here, and from there click onto this transfer option. Now once you have done that, you can choose in here the actual coin. Just click on coin right here, and let's choose in here the TON in here as well. Just search in here for that until you find it. Now from in there, you just enter in here the transfer amount and click on confirm right here. In order to transfer those two together, make sure to also put in here the two option. You can put in here a spot option or other wallet that you want, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.